Assalamu alaikum. In the last video we learned how to create data. In this video we will learn how to update data from backend. As usual, let's create our file update.php and create the file. First of all, we have to create a menu option. This will be sub menu, and before we have created in create data section. In the same way we are creating update data. This is our callback function for adding the sub menu and under CRUD menu. Function same way we need to use parent slug. This is our parent slug. We can take it from URL also from the WordPress backend. Page title, and then menu title, capabilities. And this is manage options, same we have used it. Menu slug, this will be our menu slug. When we click the edit from the data, this page will open. So use it under quotation, callback function. This is almost same with everywhere. When we create a sub menu, and we can give next position. Okay, complete our sub menu. Let's check here. It's come here. This is our callback function. Let's create the function. To update data, first of all we have to get our existing data. Let's check the action is set. And get action equals to update, or edit, whatever we will use in our menu. And we have to get the ID. get the ID, okay. Here we will use another function to render our data. Actually it will render to our edit from. So get the ID, okay. Function edit form, let's get the value first, existing value. For that, global WPDB, we need to run SQL query for getting the value. Get the table name, paste in the data, okay. Get row, the prepare statement of WordPress, select a star from table name, where ID is our given ID. Let's say use placeholder, pass the value. This ID we get from before, and pass the ID as parameter. Okay, we are get the existing record. Now you have to show this in our edit from. Let's check first if we don't get the result. Now here will be HTML form. I have already create this form. I am taking it from, so time will not. Check, here is the input field, and we use as value, and here is the hidden field. From here we will get this action and value as update, and submit button. Here we write our updating code. request method equals to post, and if action is set, so you can use isSet action. And action equals to update. Our checking complete this action, and this update we use. Now move to okay, let's get the ID. Here we need to pass three data item, ID, name and email, to our function. So I'm getting this, and method will be post, request method, because we know when we insert data, method is post. And as always, sanitize the data field. And next is email. Okay, let's create function for updating data. We need to pass three data as parameter. And finally we can show successful message if our data will update successfully. So this is our final function. Get the three data, ID, name and email. Let's get the table name. And here we will write SQL query WPDB update. This is WordPress function. Table name and our actual data. Name, email, next we need to pass ID also. and data format for name and email. We are all set. Now it's time to check. Let's check once again and our data is okay or not. Okay, check into the WordPress admin, refresh. Let's click edit. We don't attempt to read property on null. Okay, let's check code editor. We missed this spelling. This will be form. Let's go and check again. Okay, we upgrade our data. Okay, it's coming. Now let's try to update. Save change. Data update successfully. Let's see it's updated successfully. Try this one. Update. Okay, let's check we are updated successfully. Check here in the database. Okay, we have done completely. So we updated our data successfully. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.